Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see like posts on Instagram. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So first, open up Instagram. I did do a video on this previously, but Instagram has updated the app recently and that feature has now been moved. So to see your like post on Instagram, tap at my profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. From here, I'm going to tap on those three horizontal lines at the top right. Tap on settings. In the search bar at the top, you can just begin typing manage likes. Tap at the first option. There is manage likes. So if I tap on manage likes, you can see it is now showing me all of my different like posts and it's sorted by newest to oldest. So that's the new updated way to see your like posts on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video.